There are two very important concepts in a Chinese company. They are legal person and legal representative. So, what is the difference between legal person and legal representative in a China-registered company? Just from the literal point of view, the terms corporate legal person and the legal representative might sound very similar. Many people think they are the same, but in fact these terms are very different. A legal person refers to an organization that has the capacity for civil rights and civil conduct, enjoys civil rights and assumes civil obligations according to law. First of all, the legal person is an organization, which is the fundamental difference between the two terms. The legal person must meet the following conditions. First, it is established in accordance with laws and legal procedures, and its business content and nature cannot violate national laws. The second is to have necessary property or funds. This is the material basis for legal persons to carry out social and economic activities, enjoy rights and undertake obligations. Third, it should have its own name, organization and place. Fourth, be able to bear civil liability. Article 57 of the Civil Code. A legal person is an organization that has the capacity for civil rights and civil conduct, and independently enjoys civil rights and assumes civil obligations according to law. Now, the legal representative. First, the legal representative refers to the person in charge of the company, who exercises power on behalf of the legal person in accordance with the provisions of the law or the articles of association of the legal person, generally referring to the administrative person in charge. For example, the manager of the company, the factory director, etc. Second, the legal representative is the person in charge of civil activities on behalf of the legal person in accordance with the provisions of the law or the articles of association of the legal person. It is the legal representative of the legal person. The legal consequences of civil activities undertaken by the legal representative in the name of a legal person shall be borne by the legal person. Third, any staff member of a legal person, as well as other individuals or organizations other than the legal person, may become the representative of the legal person. Legal representative's rights come from the authorization of the legal person, and he carries out civil activities on behalf of the legal person in accordance with the agency relationship. To sum up, the difference between legal representative and legal representative is mainly reflected in two aspects. One is that the two refer to different objects. There can only be one legal representative in an enterprise. For example, the factory director or manager of the enterprise, etc. It may be the factory director or the manager himself or another person entrusted by the factory director or the manager to exercise his functions and powers. Legal representatives' rights are limited and cannot exceed the scope of authorization at most. Two is to assume different legal responsibilities. Under certain circumstances, the legal representative may be given administrative sanctions except that the legal person shall bear the responsibility. If a crime is constituted, criminal responsibility shall be investigated according to law. However, the legal person shall bear all losses or other legal consequences caused by the legal representative's exercise of rights within the scope of authorization. Only the losses caused by acts beyond the scope of authorization can be borne by the legal representative himself. Corporate legal person refers to a specific social organization, and the legal representative is the person who can represent the legal person, so it is also called legal representative. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next videos.